Hi friends, guess what we are going to learn about today? We're going to learn about the letter Y. Yippee! Now, do you know what sound the letter Y makes? It goes like this. Yeah, 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 yeah. Do you want to try with me? Ready? Yeah, 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 yeah. Awesome. Now, let's look at the big Y, also known as the capital Y, and the little y, also known as the lowercase y. They look similar, but one is big and one is small. Let's draw them together in the air. Get your finger ready. First, let's draw a big Y. Great. Now let's draw the little y. Great. Can you think of any words that have the letter Y in them? Oh, yellow. Yellow is a word that starts with the letter Y. Yeah, 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 yellow. Yellow is the color of sunshine and bananas. Do you have anything yellow that you really like? Look, this balloon is yellow. Oh, and this rubber ducky is yellow too. Oh, I love yellow. It's such a happy color. What other words have Y in them? I know a fun one. Yo-yo. Yo-yo is a word that begins with the letter Y. Yeah, 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 yo-yo. A yo-yo is a fun toy that goes up and down on a string. Have you ever played with a yo-yo before? They are really fun. Oh, I know a delicious Y word. Yummy. Yummy is a word that starts with the letter Y. Yeah, 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 yummy. Yummy means something that tastes really, really, really good. What's your favorite yummy food? Oh, one of my favorite foods to eat is yogurt. I love yogurt. And you know what? Yogurt is a Y word. Awesome. Oh, you know what? I just thought of another one. This one sounds funny. Yak. Yak is a word that begins with a Y. Yeah, 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 yak. It's just such a funny word. I love it. But do you know what a yak is? A yak is a furry animal with big horns. It's kind of cute, don't you think? Oh, I have a great idea. Let's play a game. This game is called Find the Y. I'm going to say a few words, and you tell me if you hear the Y sound in them. Okay. Ready? Here's our first word. Yellow. Say it with me. Yellow, yellow. Does yellow have a Y in it? What do you think? Yes, yellow begins with Y. Yeah, 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 yellow. Okay, let's play again. Our next word is banana. Listen carefully. Banana. Banana. Do you think that banana has a Y in it? No way! There is no Y in the word banana. You're doing great. Let's try again. Oh, how about this word? Yarn. Say it with me. Yarn. Yarn. What do you think? Does yarn have a Y in it? Yes. Yeah, 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 yarn. Yarn is a Y word. Amazing. Okay, let's try again. Ready? Listen carefully. Penguin. Penguin. Does penguin have a Y in it? What do you think? No, of course not. There is no Y in the word penguin. You are doing very well. Let's try one more. Okay, ready? Listen carefully. Yogurt. Yogurt. Does yogurt have a Y in it? Yes, yogurt is a Y word. Yeah, yogurt. Great job, you did fantastic. Okay, before we say goodbye, let's try something really fun. A tongue twister. Okay, this one is really, really difficult. Ready? Yellow yaks yawned, yelled, and yodeled. Can you say that 3 times fast? Let's try together. Okay. Yellow yaks yawned, yelled, and yodeled. Yellow yaks yawned, yelled, and yodeled. Okay, one more time. Okay, ready? Yellow yaks yawned, yelled, and yodeled. You know what? That one was so silly, but I really, really liked it. You know what else? I had so much fun exploring the letter Y with you today. Did you have fun too? I hope so, and I hope to see you again for our next adventure. Bye-bye.